Greetings! Just a quick update video. I know it's been a while before, but I did have a December Patreon tutorial, and I think you're gonna like this one. This one is really freaking sparkly. If you have last minute gifts that you just need to do, I highly recommend you try out these. These are what I'm calling ceiling star earrings. It kind of reminded me of like stained glass or like architectural, churchy, mosque-y type of designs. So, I have the instructions on how to do that. The video is up on the December Patreon. This is for the Muser level, which is the bottom tier. It's just $8 to get access to this tutorials, and it really helps me out in this, and I can bring for you more fantastical content and jewelry designs such as these. So, these were really quick to throw together, and it requires very few beads in very common bead shapes. Like I've got size 11s, I've got size 15s, 4mm and 3mm rounds, and a dangly drop. It's stuff that you probably have in your stash that are like orphans that you don't have any uses for, that you've been looking to use. So yes, check that out up into the description. And thank you to all of my current patrons for supporting me. You all are awesome, and you've helped bring out so much fantasticalness, and I greatly appreciate it. So, all pertinent links will be down below. Bye-bye!